Attention all the student of first sem ophthalmic technology for basic engineering electrical subject. The first topic contained the types of symbols used in electrical engineering which is related to ophthalmic technology workshop. So I have given 26 symbols in this particular lecture, in which I will give the symbols and their meaning, what they represent. So this complete symbols numbers from 1 to 26 I have given on your WhatsApp group and uploaded all this list of symbol along with their diagrams. So you have to take from this list, you take all the symbols and prepare in your sketchbook. This is sketchbook you purchase from the market and get it copied from the my WhatsApp group message. So these symbols one by one I will discuss here, and it is all available on the WhatsApp group, so you can just copy from that. First symbol is for DC quantity, it is represented like a straight line. Second symbol is for AC quantity, it is given in a sinusoidal wave type. Then symbol of frequency, it is only written either F or HZ. Then moving coil instrument symbol is there. After that moving iron symbol is there. Then resistance symbol is there. Then inductance symbol is there. Capacitance symbol is there. Choke symbol is there. Earthing symbol is there. Then single pole switch symbol is there. Then ICDP, that is iron-clad double pole switch symbol is there. Then ICTP, iron-clad triple pole symbol is there, that is a switch. Then bell push, whatever bell we use in our houses, that is also called as bell push switch. So that bell push symbol is there. Then ceiling fan symbol is there. Then socket outlet for 5 amperes, I have given the symbol of that. Then plug for 5 ampere, I have given the symbol of that. Then exhaust fan, its symbol is also given. Then fan regulator, its symbol is also given. Then horn, which is used for attention of any type of message, that symbol for horn is also given. Then bell, whatever we use in our houses, the symbol for that bell is also there. And then buzzer, it is a type of bell which is called buzzer. The buzzer symbol is also given there. Then symbol of siren is also given there. Then symbol of lamp is also given there. And symbol of transformer is also given there. So there are total 26 symbols which you can just watch from this particular sheet, in which 1 to 26 symbol I have given. This is 1 to 26 symbols are given. So you draw it in your sketchbook, and from sketchbook you memorize it. Any 5 symbol asked in the examinations, and question may be framed like this: either they will give symbol to you and they ask the meaning of the symbol, or they will give the symbol name and you have to draw the symbol in the drawing. So both type of question may be possible. Minimum 5 to 6 symbol asked in an exam, and each symbol have 2 marks question. So it may be a 10-mark question may be there, or 12-mark question will be there. So you memorize all these symbols which I have given in this sheet, and this sheet is uploaded on your WhatsApp group of first sem ophthalmic technology. So please take it seriously, because one complete question asked on this particular topic, that is symbols. So thank you all. Attend this particular lecture, watch it on your YouTube, and take whatever instruction I have given. According to that, you take all the symbol practice on your sketchbook. on sketchbook you draw with the help of HB pencil. So that will be dark type will be appear on the sketchbook. If you use 2H or H pencil, then they are very light. The symbol is represented always by HB pencil. So you draw these symbols on your sketchbook from this particular sheet which I have uploaded on the first sem ophthalmic technology student. So this is all for topic number 1, that is symbols for electrical accessories. As I have told you my introductory lecture, that symbols in electrical engineering, it varies from 60 to 80 symbols are there, but all symbols are of not used for you peoples. You peoples required only those 25-26 symbol which commonly used for your course. So I have given the list of those symbol and their diagram, so you just practicize it in a sketchbook and try to memorize it or remember it, because in exam definitely 5 to 6 symbols they ask, either by their name or either they give the symbol and ask their meaning, what they represent. So this is all for the first topic today. Thank you.